Kotlin provides a set of built-in types that represent numbers. For integer numbers, there are 4 types with different sizes and value ranges. So we have byte, so we are going to define it. We have integer. We have a long. We have short. And we have different sizes for each. So a byte is 8 bits, a short is 16 bit, int is 32 bit, and long contains 64 bits. Now we are going to print all the variables to our output window. So we will type println and we'll pass in the values. I'm going to replace it with integer and long and then followed by short. Now we are going to run the program and see the output. So here we can see we have the values printed down below. One thing to note is that all variables initialized with integer values not exceeding the maximum value of int have the inferred type of int. If the value exceeds this value, then the type is long. So what I mean by this is that if I declare a variable called k and set its value equal to 1, so this will be treated as an integer value. So if we want to explicitly specify it as long, we are going to append it the suffix l at the end of it.